To use the tool, navigate to the Transactions list, Financials, close Cash Variances. This will bring you to the landing page. At the top, you can see the subscription status bar, some details about the tool. In our primary section, you can see the write-off date, transaction memo, transaction write-off item. This is required in order to use the tool. This is going to determine the GL account for the new transactions that will be created. Optional fields are the location and class. To narrow down the transactions that you wish to offset with this tool, there are some fields here that are editable. In this case, I'm going to tailor it to the transactions that I would like. I have my subsidiary, I have my customer, I have overdue, and I'm going to leave the amount blank. At the bottom, you do see search data. This will be populated with the summaries and counts for the transactions that meet this criteria. So I will go ahead and hit this search to pull the records. Excellent. So here you can see there are 2 invoices and 2 payments that meet this criteria. And I am actually going to run it for everything. If it's a larger list, you can use the mark all and unmark all. I will go ahead and submit this. And as you can see, we do have the current status of the process running in the backend. This will be creating the offsetting transactions and applying them to the original transactions. I will go ahead and hit the refresh button. Excellent. At the top, you see the success banner.